Go the extra mile in hand hygiene with two great hand washing options from State: Hands On and Hands On Defense. Both of these lotionized hand soaps are infused with lanolin and aloe to help moisturize and condition hands, preventing potentially harmful skin cracking and drying, while also effectively washing dirt and grime away. Both Hands On and Hands On Defense are compatible with the State Soap Factory Pro and Senior dispensers. These soaps are great for use in restrooms, office break rooms, general washrooms, laboratories, and more. In addition, Hands On Defense comes with the active ingredient benzalkonium chloride, which is compliant with NSF E2 requirements. Take care of your hands in the best way possible with Hands On and Hands On Defense, another quality solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.